Ready to unlock hidden insights in your granular data by turning continuous values into easily digestible bins within Tableau. First, let's pick a continuous dimension from your data. Like sales, simply drag the desired dimension to the columns or rows shelf. For this example, we'll use sales. Tableau automatically displays a histogram representing the data distribution, but to create bins, right-click on the sales dimension in the columns or rows shelf. A menu will appear. Select Create and then Bins in the submenu. In the Create Bins dialog box, you'll notice options. Tableau will try to suggest a bin size based on your data, but you have full control. You can specify the bin size to determine the width of each interval, and also determine the start and end values. After applying your settings, a new measure, sales bin, will be created in your data pane, representing your bin data. You can then drag the new sales bin into the visualization to examine your data more clearly in specific clusters. You can also use this new bin field to easily create different visualizations, like bar charts, to study the distribution. This helps identify patterns within specific ranges, making your data easier to comprehend and generating richer insights.